If your crochet hooks are gathering dust or you are tired of spending 40 hours on a single blanket, I have a secret for you. The most profitable, giftable, and honestly addictive things you can make right now fit in your palm of your hands. Today we are diving in the massive lookbook of crochet keychain inspiration. Whether you are looking to clear out your scrap yarn basket or prep for your next craft fair, these designs are the ultimate quick win projects. Stick around until the end because I'm sharing the one specific design that literally always sell out first. First up, let's talk about the Snack Attack collection. There is something about tiny pieces of fruits with a face on it that people just can't resist. Strawberry and lemons are gods of crochet keychains. They take about 15 minutes and use barely any stuffing. If you want to Instagram ready, try these mini boba teacups or tiny avocado. Use safety eyes that are slightly too big for the face. It's create that kawaii look that makes people reach for their wallets instantly. Moving on to the nature category. If you haven't made no CUB yet, you are seeing crochet in 2026. The jellyfish. The jellyfish, they are perfect for using scrap varied yarn. Their tentacles are simply chain stitches and surface crochet. Potted succulent, these are a bit more detailed but make amazing gift for teachers and office workers. The mushroom craze, Kotarko, is still huge. Tiny red and white dead souls are a vibe and they look incredibly hanging off a backpack or a set of car keys. Now let's look at keychains that actually do something. The bum holders, they are lifesaver. It's basically a small sleeve that ensure you never lose your chapstick again. Boho bracelets into a more grown-up aesthetic. Simple macrame style crochet. Bristles or layered tassels are the way to go. Use cotton yarn for these to give them a sturdy high-end feel. Flower power. Simple 5-petal daisies are the fantastic thing that you make. Connect 3 of them in a row beautifully and floral keychain that makes in 10 minutes only. I promise to tell you one design that always sells out. It's the emotional sport item. Think a tiny potato or a pickle holding a little felt sign that say you are doing great. People buy these in bulk because they are perfect just because gift. Which of these are you going to hook up first? Let me know in the comments if you want a specific tutorial of any of these. Drop a comment below and I will make it happen. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more crochet inspo. Happy crocheting!